welcome to Avery's Apron. My name is Avery, and as you can see, today I'm going to be sharing this super quick and simple recipe for some fried rice. This is perfect for like a weeknight meal. It's like the perfect side dish, or you could even easily turn this into a one-pot meal situation by adding some like chicken or steak or shrimp to this. But yeah, I'm excited to share the recipe with y'all. It's so quick, literally like 20 minutes, 30 minutes tops. And yeah, let's hop right into it. Alrighty, so I am starting off by scrambling my egg. This is just 1 tablespoon of butter that I melted in the pan, and I'm going in with 2 eggs. I'm just going to quickly scramble these and then set them in a bowl to the side so I can get going with the rest of my ingredients. I'm also going in with just a little sprinkle of salt on these as well. Alrighty, my egg is to the side, and so now I'm turning my heat back up and I'm just adding some olive oil to the pan, and I'm gonna go ahead and saute my diced onion and garlic. Okay, if you want to make this a 1-pan meal like I mentioned earlier, you would actually want to go ahead and cook your protein now. So whether you were adding shrimp to this or chicken or steak, instead of sauteing your onion at this point, you want to go ahead and cook your meat. Then you want to set that to the side along with your egg, and then you can go into sauteing your onion like so. Yeah, I'm not adding any meat to this tonight because I'm actually having this as a side dish alongside some baked chicken thighs. So I didn't need to add meat to this particular time, but usually I like chop up some chicken breasts or chicken thighs, and I just saute those in, and then that's like a meal for me. So yeah, if you want to do that, that's totally an option. So as you can see, my onions are nice and translucent. I did season them with a little bit of salt and pepper just to kind of help sweat them down a little bit. And now I am going in with my cold leftover white rice. You really want to try to use leftover rice with this if you can. It's just because it's drier and it makes for a better texture. Sometimes using fresh rice doesn't always work that well. It tends to be a little bit mushy just because there's more moisture in the fresh rice. So yes, dry cold white rice works best for this recipe. Now I'm going in with a little more oil because my pan was kind of dry, and I'm just breaking down these chunks of rice, and then I'm gonna go in with a bunch of soy sauce. Like, I'm gonna douse this in soy sauce. Alrighty, so like I said before, we are just gonna drench this in soy sauce. I'm just gonna really go in with the soy sauce, and then I am going to be adding in a little bit of ginger paste. Okay, I actually meant to add this in earlier when I cooked down the onions, but I forgot. So I'm adding it in now. It's totally fine. I'm going in with about a teaspoon of this, but this is totally optional. Okay, you don't have to add this in. If you have ground ginger in your spice cabinet, you can use that instead, but otherwise you can just leave it out. I like to add it because I feel like it just really takes it to the next level. Something about the ginger with the soy sauce is just super good, so I like to add it. But like I said, it's totally fine if you leave this particular ingredient out. We're just going to toss all of this together, make sure everything's well combined, and go from there. Alright, so at this point, I felt like I needed a little more soy sauce, so I added that in, and then I'm also going to season it with some garlic powder and a couple dashes of black pepper as well. We're just going to fold all of this together and get everything nice and combined and distributed. And then I'm going in with my frozen veggies. I am using frozen peas and carrots for this recipe. Alright, so now I'm going back in with my egg that I scrambled earlier. I'm just going to fold that in. If you made chicken or shrimp or something to go in this, you want to go ahead and fold that in at this point as well. And this is just about finished. I did go in with a couple of dashes of red pepper flakes just for some spice, but that's an optional ingredient as well. You don't have to add that in if you don't prefer spice. Quick and easy fried rice. I like to top mine with a little bit of sriracha and some yum yum sauce, and I am set. This is so good, you guys. I hope you give it a try, and I hope you like it, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.